All right, Facebook, we're at it again. Today we're doing a duct job for a client that found us online, booked about 2 weeks ago on the spot. We're doing our ducts today, and we're gonna come back next week and take care of their carpets, their tile and grout, and then do a topical treatment for their odor, because their mom that lived here smoked, and we're gonna treat the odors of air concern for the carpet. It's called tobacco attack, so we're gonna treat that. And yeah, we're gonna take care of the bathrooms as well, naming it, or some linoleum. And remember guys, when it comes to carpet, soft or hard surface, you know, dirt and soil gets trapped in the grout. And mopping it won't take care of that. You guys suspend it, clean it. So we're gonna come next week and clean this, and break that up, and then clean it and seal it, so it repels the dirt and soil. So we're gonna make that look like new again, kind of like the edge there. And then we're gonna take care of the carpets, and that's gonna be a wrap. So, all right, guys, Noah and I are gonna get started, and hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe on YouTube. Like us and follow us on Facebook. And if you have any questions about any of our services, you can check us out at aoclean.com, and or you can give us a good old phone call. Happy to serve. All right, guys. All right, guys. Look at that beauty. Stay tuned. Let's go. Beautiful. Hey yo, let's go. We went about 35, 40 feet into the supply. Here we go. You guys ready for this? Ready? Oh yeah. All right, guys. We're doing the duct cleaning today. Next week we're doing the tile and the carpet. And this is what they're going to be doing or getting today. This is all our procedures, everything you can expect. All kinds of good stuff. We also sanitize, do dryer bit cleaning, and sanitize the system as well. But breathe better, guys. Breathe better. And then, of course, why you should get your ducts clean. All kind of goodies there. And of course, it's called. Stay tuned. All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube. This is why you need to get your dryer vents clean. All right, YouTube, Facebook, everybody in the social media land. This is why you guys need to get your ducts and vents cleaned. Look at that, guys. All that stuff. Zoom in on the camera a little bit. Look at that. Get up in there. See that, guys? Yeah, it's not good. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube, Facebook, everybody out there tuning in today. Appreciate your watching, subscribing, hit the bell, pay the fee. But anyway, point of this video is this is what your return looks like, your cold return. A lot of times in the ceiling, on the wall cavity. This is what this one looks like, as you guys can see. Zoom in a little bit more. And not good. But it's doing its job. It's supposed to suck all that stuff up there, right? And then we're gonna get it cleaned out so you can breathe better. Better air quality is crucial to a healthier indoor environment, and that's what we believe AO Cleaning. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for results. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. All right, YouTube, Facebook, we just got finished up. Check it out, guys. Look at that. Nice and clean and pristine. Come on, somebody. Yeah, looks good. All right, stay tuned. We got some flex duct in here, guys. We're gonna take care of it. We do that too. Stay tuned. That. There we go. Nice and clean. Beautiful. That's how we do it. Call if you need us. aoclean.com. Thanks for watching. Sanitizing the system now. All natural disinfectant sanitizer. Let's go. Ayo.